In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Looker Studio reports in Looker. By the end, you'll know how to get into Looker Studio, choose a template or start from scratch, connect your data, and map that data to your visuals so your report comes to life. First, open your browser and go to lookerstudio.google.com, then log in with your Google account. Use the account that has access to the data you plan to report on. After you sign in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here you'll see any reports you've already created, and you'll also notice clear options to start a new report from a blank canvas or from ready-made templates. If you're new or want to move quickly, templates are a great way to jumpstart your layout and styling. To explore the full set of templates, click Template Gallery at the top right. This opens a larger collection tailored to different use cases, like web analytics, marketing performance, or simple scorecards. Take a moment to pick one that aligns with the story you want to tell. When you find a good fit, simply click the template to start creating your report. The template will open with placeholder visuals and a layout that's already designed, so you can focus on the data instead of formatting. Once it's open, you'll need data to build your report. You can connect to existing data sources you already use, or you can import data from files, such as an Excel workbook or a Google Sheet. Connecting to a data source typically means choosing the appropriate connector and confirming access. If you're importing a file, make sure your headers are clear and your columns are formatted consistently so charts behave as expected. With your data connected or imported, you're ready to build. If you started from a blank report, begin by adding your charts and tables, then select the fields you want to show. If you chose a template, replace the sample data by assigning your own fields to each visual from the data pane on the right. That's where you'll pick dimensions, metrics, and any breakdowns. As you map fields, the visuals will update instantly, giving you quick feedback. You can fine-tune your selections, adjust sorting, and set filters or date ranges so the report highlights exactly what matters. And there you go. You've logged in, explored the template gallery, connected or imported your data, and assigned that data to your visuals. That's all you need to create a Looker Studio report in Looker.